Hello and welcome to another Cycletech review unboxing. Today we've got some electronics, not quite sure what's in here, so let's get it open and see what's in here. Okay, we have got in the box a set of Run Plus bone conduction headphones. Bone conduction, so basically you can hear, it keeps your ears open so they're not covered, so if you're running or riding you can still hear what's going on around you, and the sounds transmitted rather than straight into your ears through the bones on your face into your ear, and it allows you to listen and still be aware of your surroundings. Pretty important on a bike. I must admit, I don't do a lot of, I don't listen to music or podcasts while I'm riding, unless I'm on the turbo. Then these will probably come in quite handy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's quite a nice box there. Nice bit of artwork. And here are the bone conducting headphones. See, they're quite neat. They basically fit over your head like this, and the connections here are what passes the sound on via the bones in your face to your ear. It's very lightweight. Like I say, it will leave your ears open so you can hear what's going on. So if you were to be outdoors, walking, running, riding, you'd still be able to hear what's going on around you. That's a nice little bit of packaging there. You've got a carry case, Mojawa, not sure about the pronunciation. In here we've got a set of instructions, and we've also got in the box here little charger cable. Sorry if I keep going out of view. Little it's a magnetic connection there. So I'm guessing you've got a little connection there on the side, which that will connect to and allow you to charge them. And then you've also got in the box, let's have a look. These look like earplugs. I think earplugs possibly. Not sure why they'll be there. I'll do a preview once I've read through all the instructions, and I'll let you know what these are for. They look like earplugs to me. Maybe they are earplugs. So we'll get a preview up on Cycletech Review, and I'll let you know how they perform. That's the Mojawa Run Plus bone conduction headphones. Look out for the review soon, guys. Thanks. Bye.